This cheating ex-wife thought she'd one-cheated and left him broke, but then the judge delivered a sentence she never saw coming.
The concern is that now we've learned that her intent is to not do so for another 18 months. The problem, or to even list the house for sale for another 18 months, which would even be beyond that. But the problem of it is that it's affecting Mr. Gentry's credit. It's affecting his ability to do other things at his house and ownership of his house. And in the response, there's several things that aren't true, including, who had the affair. I mean, they're ancillary things. The bottom line of it is this case was one where Ms. Tinsman's attorney drew up the document. Mr. Gentry was not represented. It's now more than 2 years later, and nothing has been done. And it seems that Ms. Tinsman is of the belief that she can do this if and when she wants to, and it is affecting his credit. It is affecting, there's all kinds of excuses, but every excuse is one that, frankly, is under Ms. Tinsman's control. We just are asking for a date by when it needs to be done, because one wasn't put in the initial judgment of divorce that was prepared by Ms. Tinsman's attorney. And again, the amount of things in the response were a little flabbergasting for us, quite frankly, but there are 5 missed payments according to the document from the credit union. And so we're just simply asking that there be a timeline put on this matter.
Ms. McNiff, you talk about all sorts of things in the response. What's the date that she'll have this refinanced by? Give me a date.
I don't have a date, Your Honor.
The court's not going to wait indefinitely for the plaintiff to qualify or whatever. And because we can't be given a date, the court is going to order that the house be sold, listed for sale forthwith, and be sold. If something happens in the meantime, she's able to refinance, the court would consider that. But at this point, if there's no date, that she's going to have to list it for sale and have it sold forthwith, and provide Ms. Thomas with the listing agreement. I will require that be done within 14 days of today's date.
Judge, could she have a little bit more time just due to the holidays? It's going to be
She's
difficult.
had sufficient time. She can do it within 14 days.